Introducing the brand new TECNO MEGAPAD 10.
Show me.
Wow.
The TECNO MEGAPAD 10 features an outstandingly large 10.1-inch screen, offering an incredibly immersive experience. Big screen, big view, big enjoyment.
Can it go bigger?
Enjoy lasting assurance with up to 7,000 mAh massive battery. Use freely all day without concerns of charging.
Not even close.
Okay.
Whether it's video, gaming, music, or even work, you're covered.
We can do this all day.
The large storage space can help save a variety of images, videos, and large applications. Literally, you can store anything you wish in your portable device.
Wait, did you just say anything?
Absolutely anything and everything. While watching movies on the MEGAPAD 10 during the day, the glaring sunlight can often be bothersome. 450 nits enhance the visual experience. Switch to dark mode with just a button click. Assuming that lovely movie attracts you from day to night, soft light protects your eyes throughout the long night. During work hours, the MEGAPAD can become your ideal office companion. Just by taking a picture, a paper document can be scanned into an e-format. Simply slide your finger to capture any shape. In modern society, multitasking constantly keeps us busy. Using split view can greatly enhance your efficiency. It's like having two of you working at the same time.
You all right? Brilliant.
Click into the camera. 13-megapixel high-quality lens captures every beautiful moment. Portrait, artwork, group picture. With a single click, you can capture natural photos full of exquisite detail. With its metallic build and high-tech feel, simply grab it and head to any destination with ease. Only possible with the TECNO MEGAPAD 10.